Is the Bronchiosaurus eating Amber's head? But I thought the Bronchiosaurus was a herbivore. Herbivore. What do herbivores eat, Liam? What are they going to do? You going to take them to eat that leaf? Watch your head. What do herbivores eat? And he's eating that leaf? That's right. Good job. What sound does he make when he eats? He goes,